Good afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming back to you here for September 9th. We're here to recap today's trade. We'll give you a little overview of the currency markets. As far as news today, it was a very slow day on the news front. We did have some numbers come in from overseas that were generally better than expected out of Europe. We did see the stock market enjoy a nice day higher. We got the S&P trading right around 1670. We got the Dow back up over 15,000. Perhaps I know we've kind of been in the state of mind in the markets lately that bad news is good news for stocks, and I know that sounds ridiculous, but the more bad news, the less chances that the Fed may taper this month in their meeting on September 18th, which is next week. We did see the dollar extend its sell-off, perhaps from the weak payroll, non-farm payrolls number that we saw on Friday. We did see a miss on expectations this month, and we also did see the July report get revised back by about 50,000 jobs as well. So it was a pretty disappointing jobs number. Dollar extended its sell-off on the idea that the Feds will taper less or maybe not at all. That finished the day right around 81.79, down 36 ticks on the day. We are, mind you, we did close above the 200-day moving average. We did test that level today, and we are sitting at the 50% retracement level from the Fibonacci charts. So that's something to kind of key on right now. If we do see some more follow-through selling tomorrow, certainly the trend has turned lower if we do see follow-through tomorrow. But I'm looking for the dollar to hold this level right here. Maybe a quick dip lower in the overnight, but I do think that the dollar will fight off any more downside at these levels. Looking at the euro inversely, we did see a nice rally in the euro. Finished up 76 ticks at 132.58. We did have a better than expected investor confidence number that came out of Europe, so perhaps that's what helped push the euro higher. We did see an interesting trade today, the dollar versus the Japanese yen. We did actually see both markets trade lower. We haven't seen that happen in a while. Typically, if the dollar's up, we got the yen trading lower, or if the yen's higher, we got the dollar trading lower. But they both traded down today. Looking at the British pound, we did see a very strong day in the British 157. Where we at? 157.02 is where we just about finished, which had it up about 70 points on the day. We did see that market capped at the got capped at the 200-day moving average, which came in at 157.30 today. So market held that level there. It's going to be interesting to see what the pound does over the next couple of days. Will we see more follow through higher? If we do close above that 200-day moving average, I think that's a key level that'll probably push us higher. But I am looking for the British to fight off any further follow through gains tomorrow. And for the rest of the week, I do believe we will see that get knocked back around the 155 level. But we'll know more tomorrow. Stay tuned for more. Once again, I'm John Caruso. As always, feel free to give me a call, 800-669-5354. And as always, trading futures and options carries risk and may not be suitable for all investors.